Isabella, what are you doing? Apparently she likes Fresh Beat Band, and she's dancing like a crazy woman. Isabella! Oh yeah?
Okay. That one.
Isabella. Isabella. What are you doing? You gonna say hi to Mommy and Daddy? Say hi. Say I miss you. Say hi. And here comes a monster. Who's that? Say hi, Riley. Oh, you want to see this side? You gotta say hi. Say hi. What are you doing, Bella?
Here you go, sweetie. Just got this from the shop.
Oh, thank you. Oh, do you like the living room? It's a mess. Say hi, Mommy. Say hi, Mommy.
I just got this from the workshop too. It's even bigger. We got a new bigger toy, kid.
Careful with that, Riley. Riley.